everyone, James here.
Carla here, and today we're going to be unboxing our premium pack by Mazuma. For a limited time only, when you buy one of our phones, you can get this premium pack and all the goodies inside for free.
Now let's get into the box.
First of all, can we talk about how nice this box is? Like, I feel like I could reuse it.
Right, that's sturdy.
It's pretty sturdy. Ooh.
Get excited because we have some goodies.
So cute! Look at this! It's a pouch! This is also reusable like the box.
Yes.
Okay, let's open it up. There are a few things in here, but I want to show you guys how reusable this pouch is. Since I'm a girly girl, I have like makeup, and I could put it in the pouch and see it fits perfectly, and I could bring it out with me. So, A+ for reusability.
And then we have here a Mazuma power brick. It's matte, so it's not gonna get all fingerprinty, and I like this. It's got a nice click to it. It's sturdy.
Oh, look at this. I could already see that this is for per country, right?
Yep.
You wanna put this
And
on
they
there?
just slide on like so. And this is my favorite part about these. That's sturdy.
Oh, okay, so it's not going anywhere.
No, that's secure.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, and I want to mention, this is CE certified.
Oh, so it's safe to use.
Yes.
Another thing inside of the pouch is this box. Another unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, it's the charging cable. And, okay.
It's nice and bright red.
I like this one here, so you don't have another loose wire in your bag. And, okay, can we point out the fact that it's braided?
It's giving it, again, just more security, more sturdiness.
Yeah, because that's like the common issue with a lot of chargers nowadays. The wire chargers, they break really easily. So I guess...
It's gonna last you.
Yeah, it's gonna last you a long time. I can already see that this is the lightning cable for an iPhone.
And then we have USB Type-C for most modern Android phones, and we have micro USB for some phones and just general electronics.
Oh, okay, so you could use it for like other devices too.
Yes, absolutely. And then just a quick little snap, and there you go. Good to go, ready to charge. Same with the other one. Just plug it in.
So it's relatively easy to use.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And then let's move on to the reason we're here. The iPhone 7 ReNew. And then look, they give you another padding of styrofoam. The phone comes with a sleeve, and then just even more, just sturdiness. So this phone, when it gets to you, it's gonna be safe. It's gonna not be scratched.
So it's in a safe box.
If you want to take that.
I'm so excited to open this phone. This is my favorite part right here. There we go. Okay, I can't even tell that it looks like a refurbished iPhone. It looks brand new to me.
I mean, can we get a iPhone 7 to compare, a new one? Can we? Thank you. I mean, if you look at this, like at a first glance, there's not even any kind of identifying marks.
No, it looks exactly the same to me.
Yes, they do.
Okay, you know what? I want to play a game. Turn around. Which one is the iPhone 7 ReNew?
Let's go with this one.
No.
No.
This is the brand new iPhone 7.
I mean...
So there you go, guys. Proof that it's exactly the same.
Right.
The iPhone 7 ReNew has the same pixels per inch as the XR. And also, some apps aren't even optimized for the XR.
I mean, it is a newer model. It'd be hard to, optimize right out of the gate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the zoom mode for this phone is bigger than the XR, and also the camera's still pretty good at f-stop 1.7.
And that just means the aperture setting, which is good for low light.
Also, the iPhone 7 ReNew is much cheaper than what Apple is currently selling. A brand new iPhone will cost you £449, while the iPhone 7 ReNew will only cost you £219.99. Now tell me, how much do you save?
That's 230 pounds.
230 pounds. That's a lot of money.
Yes.
I don't know anyone that doesn't want to save 230 pounds. If you want to save yourself 230 pounds, head on over to our website and get yourself an iPhone 7 ReNew. Also, follow us on our social media pages for more updates.
Once again, I'm James.
And I'm Carla.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.